Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few moments to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light bulb. This light bulb is located inside the dispenser, and when it's energized, it illuminates the dispenser cavity. If the light inside the dispenser won't come on, check and replace the light bulb. Alright, so here we are inside the dispenser area, and the light bulb is right there. So we're gonna unscrew it, turning it counterclockwise. This is the old light bulb next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, now I'm going to press that pedal. It says water. Well, before you do that, make sure you turn off the fridge and turn off the water. Now I'm going to insert the light bulb into the socket. A little tricky, but take your time. And I'm going to screw it in, turning it clockwise. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.